A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the final presentation of the Bangabandhu ODI series, with Bangladesh winning the series 2 matches to 1. Their first loss in their home attempts of 10, while Sri Lanka's first away win in 9 ODIs. Right, we're also honored to have Mr. Nazmul Hasan, MP, Honorable President of the Bangladesh Cricket Board. He'll be joining us shortly to give away the winner's trophy. But first, let me talk to the losing captain in this case, Tamim Iqbal. Well, obviously, Tamim, you would have wanted to finish it on a high, a slight blot, but still a good win for you guys.
Yeah, definitely. You know, as I said in the last game, end of the last game and beginning of today's game, we have won the series, but I never thought that we played a complete game. I thought we never played to our potential throughout the series. Luckily for us that we are in a winning side, but after winning the series, I can tell you this: there is a lot of areas that we need to seriously work on.
Yeah, before we get to that, where do you think you guys really made a few mistakes, or what do you think you would have done differently in this game?
See, one thing was very clear. They had a very attacking mindset today coming into this game, and we helped them to do that. You know, we bowled a lot of short balls, we gave a lot of rooms, and then when the opportunity came, we never grabbed it. If you see the 2 catches we missed in very important time, that could have, we could have got probably 30 runs less to chase.
You reckon the dependency on the seniors is still a bit of a worry for you guys going forward?
Yeah, it is, because probably at this moment, those are the guys who are contributing big. As I always said, I'm someone who keeps on believing in youngsters. I'm not someone who likes to point fingers at them, because I know how hard they try. It's just if they start to perform, we will become a much better team. You know, it's always easy to criticize when people are not doing well, but I don't think I'm that individual who will criticize my own players.
Well, on a personal note, how is it to feel becoming the top run scorer in all 3 formats for Bangladesh?
That's a thing that I really don't look at, because I think. I have much more bigger dreams, much more goals to achieve. It feels good when I hear this kind of stuff. But as I told you, there's a lot of things that I want to achieve as individually and as a leader of this team.
All right, bad luck today, but many congratulations on your win.
Thank you, thank you.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move with the most valuable player of the match. And Kusal Pereira, for his outstanding 100, will receive a US 1000 as the most valuable player of the match. And time for the Alesha Mart player of the match, an award of US 1000 for his magnificent bowling. It is Dushmantha Chameera. 5 for 16. And we're going to have a few words with Dushmantha. Well, I'm going to talk to him in the local language, and I will translate it into English for everyone's benefit. Dushmantha, ප්‍රථමයෙන්ම කියන්න මොකක්ද ඔබේ හැඟීම මේ කඩු ලබා ගැනීම සම්බන්ධයෙන්?
ඇත්තටම ගොඩක් සතුටුයි මගේ පළවෙනි විකට් 5. ඉතින් ඒ වගේම මැච් එක අපිට දිනන්න ලැබිච්ච එක ගොඩක් සතුටුයි. අපි තරඟ 5ක් එක දිගට පරාදලා මේ දින්නේ පළවෙනි එක. ඉතින් ඇත්තටම කණ්ඩායමක් වශයෙන් ගොඩක් සතුටුයි.
Yeah, I asked him about his feeling after his 5 wickets. He talks of how happy he is, the way he bowled, and after defeats to come back and win was a great performance. මේ තරඟයට ඇතුල් වෙනකොට ඔබ මේ විශේෂයෙන්ම එක් දින තරඟවල දිගටම ක්‍රීඩා කරේ නැහැ. ඔබට යම් ආකාරයක පීඩනයක් දැනුණාද මේ සංචාරයට එනකොට?
නෑ ඇත්තෙම නෑ. මොකද මම ඉන්ජර්ඩ් වෙලා හිටියා මාස 7ක් විතර. ඊට පස්සේ වෙස්ට් ඉන්දීස් තරඟාවලිය ක්‍රීඩා කරා වන් ඩේ ටික. ඉතින් ඒක ලොකු උදව්වක් වුණා මේ තරඟාවලියට එද්දී. මොකද මම හිතන්නේ හොඳට perform කරා ඒ තරඟාවලියේ. ඉතින්
asked about as to whether he was under pressure coming into this series, and he feels no, coming back after injury. Thanks Sri Lanka කණ්ඩායමේ ඔබ විශේෂයෙන්ම එක් දින තරඟාවලියේ වේගවත්ම පන්දු යවන්න, ඒ වගේම ආරම්භක පන්දු යවන්න, ප්‍රධාන පන්දු යවන්න. මොකද හිතන්නේ ඔබට ලැබුණා වූ අලුත් තලය ගැන?
ඇත්තටම ගොඩක් සතුටුයි. මම කියන්නේ 2015 දී සාමාන්‍ය කියන්නේ කණ්ඩායමේ එක දිගට ක්‍රීඩා කරා ආබාධ හින්දා තමයි මට නැවතත් කණ්ඩායමෙන් ඉවත් වෙන්න උනේ. ඉතින් නැවතත් මම ආබාධ ටික හොඳ වෙලා කණ්ඩායමට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මගේ බලාපොරොත්තු ඉදිරියටම දිගටම දක්ෂතාව දක්වන්න කණ්ඩායම වෙනුවෙන්.
හොඳයි ඔබට බොහොම ස්තුතියි.
Thank you.
Well, I asked him as to how he feels becoming the spearhead, and he's pleased at the role he's playing for Sri Lanka and the way he's bowling. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the Alesha Mart Player of the Series, an award of US 2000, and it was a unanimous decision of the adjudicators. For 237 runs, it's Mushfiqur Rahim. Right, Mushfiqur, can we have a quick word with you? Many congratulations. It was an outstanding series for you. Well done. I'll let you first talk about your performance.
First of all, Alhamdulillah, yeah. I think boys did a great job. They worked really hard for this series because probably last couple of months we haven't played our best cricket. But luckily, Alhamdulillah, that we come up with good plan and executed well in the first two games. But unfortunately, we couldn't finish on high note.
Just tell me something. In the last 2 years of your career, you've been magnificent, particularly against Sri Lanka, averaging 80. Anything that you've done, or you seem to have taken a special liking to the Sri Lankan bowling?
Not really. I think for international cricket, if you play 15 plus years, you need to contribute more and more for your country. So that's what I want to do each and every game. And luckily, I probably played really well, as we said, against Sri Lanka. But they are not an easy side to play well, as I can tell you that, because they never give up and they always come hard with us. So I was really happy with the way I batted in this series, but inshallah I will try to contribute next when I will get the opportunity.
You're Mr. Dependable of Bangladesh cricket as a batsman. Does that add extra pressure, or are you enjoying it?
No, I really enjoyed that because whenever some pressure or whenever some expectation on me, I really try to cope that pressure and stay calm, and I know that I am probably that the opponent also thought that I am a big player, so that really give me an edge to do well. So I really enjoyed that pressure.
Right, thank you very much, Mushfiq.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Now, can I call Mr. Kusal Pereira, the Sri Lankan captain? Congratulations, Kusal. Firstly, talk about your innings. Very different. We haven't seen the boundaries and the sixers, lots of singles and twos, but still a run-a-ball innings.
Badly we need a win, but we lost the series. But my inning, I first 10 overs I got some calculated risks, but once I get set, always I try to bat at 30, 35 overs. We need to make a target, so that's why I keep batting like that.
Well, tell me about the plan going into the game. Were you looking to bat the 50 overs, or the first 10 overs suggested that you were looking to try and be aggressive, but later on you changed your style?
Yeah, first of all, I took my chances, and me and then I took chances. Then once we get set, we have to get the big ones. Otherwise, 50, 60 is not enough for the team. So that's why I'm changing my gears, and I'm trying to bat 30, 35 overs.
Well, Kusal, obviously the series is lost. You won a game, which is a consolation. It has given you some pride. But do you like to talk about the positives that you like to take home with this series?
Yeah, especially our bowling department there did a really good job. Dushmantha Chameera had a very good series, and only concern first two games, our batting. Otherwise, in the fielding and the bowling, we are done really well. So a lot of positive in the first two games, and this is the third game. We had a lot of contribution in the field and the bowling, of course, at the batting as well. So some of the guys come to the touch. It's a good sign. So we'll hope, in future, they are capitalizing their innings.
All right, very well done today. Congratulations on your 100. Bad luck on the series, but well done with the win.
Thank you.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, the big moment. The big moment. Can I invite the president of Bangladesh Cricket, the Honorable Nazmul Hasan MP, to give away the series winners trophy, the Bangabandhu ODI 2021 series winners trophy, to the Bangladesh captain Tamim Iqbal. A big moment for the Bangladeshi team, and many congratulations to the Bangladeshi side. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so that is a very satisfying performance by the Bangladesh team. Series winners, and well, that's it. That's it. As far as the series is concerned, Bangladesh winning comprehensively by 2 matches to 1. All right, we hope you enjoyed this coverage. We hope you enjoyed the series. Until we meet you again sometime, somewhere, it is goodbye from all of us.